तो हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अब। रोल played by new technology in context of globalization with special reference to India. Politically, political sphere में strengthen democracy by creating awareness about government schemes and plans through digital media, like systematic voter education, electoral participation program, educate electoral regarding election process, ensure citizen centric administration by providing G2B services like sending file out electric forms like tax forms, C2C services like e-visa, etc. Social sphere improve health performances, especially in rural areas like telemedicine, improved female literacy through digital channels like Swam Prabha. Economic sphere में technology in globalized world offer various choices of consumption to consumer and thereby also increase competition that eventually ensure a constant rise in quality products. Technology save time to produce a good and deliver it, thereby contributing to overall profits of a business and ensuring high efficiency of a business output rate. India should look to maximize the benefits stemming out of technology in this globalized world, but should make effort for sustainable development alongside economic growth. Describe the characteristics and types of primary rocks. Primary rocks are basically crystalline igneous rock formed by cooling and solidification of magma. It is named as primary rock because it begins the rock cycle in India, mostly found in Maharashtra Plateau and Sahyadri Hills. Characteristics क्या होगी? They are granular crystalline rocks but vary in size, form, texture depending on rate and place of cooling. They do not contain fossil because of its association with hot temperature. They are mostly associated with volcanic activities. Unlike sedimentary rocks, they don't have strata. Usually, they don't react with acids. Water precollates with great difficulty. Inside, they are primarily hard rocks and hence less affected by chemical weathering. Most igneous rocks are composed or more than one mineral deposit. Mineral deposits are available in form of patches with different sizes. Types क्या है? Two types of primary rock, intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive, they are known as intrusive or plutonic rocks as magma cools so slowly cools slowly inside at greater depths below the earth's surface जैसे granite, diorite. Extrusive igneous rock known as lava or volcanic rock immediate condition of cooling results inside intermediate size of grain making up igneous rock जैसे basalto pumic. अब इसके नोट्स बनाएंगे एक बार. Primary rocks are crystalline rocks formed by cooling and solidification of magma. Molten rocks named as primary rocks because it begin the rock cycle. ठीक है. In India, they are mostly found in Maharashtra plateaus or Sahyadri. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में क्या क्या आ जाएगा? दे आर granular or crystalline rocks, vary in size, form, texture depending on rate and place of cooling. They don't have fossil because its association with hot temperature. They are mostly associated associated with volcanic activities. They don't have strata. They don't react with acids. Water percolates. Percolates with great difficulty. Composed of more than one mineral deposit. Mineral deposit is available in form of patches of different size. सबसे पहले ग्रैनुअल क्रिस्टलाइन हो गए, थोड़ा फॉसिल नहीं होते. अब इसका आंसर लिखेंगे सिक्स का. डिस्क्राइब द characteristics and types of igneous rocks. Answer: primary rock sign. Primary rocks are crystalline igneous rocks formed by cooling and solidification of magma and solidification of magma. Yeah, it is called primary rocks because they start the rock cycle. In India, they are found in Maharashtra Plateau and Shahidris. अब इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक देखेंगे. They are granular nature but vary in size, form based on rate and place of cooling. They don't have strata. They don't contain fossil water. Perlocates, percolates with great difficulty as they are hard and less affected by weathering by chemical weathering. ठीक है. Mineral, they are composed of more than one mineral deposits are available in form of patches. They don't react with acids. They are mostly associated with igneous rocks with volcanic activities. अब इसके टाइप्स देखेंगे. इंट्रूसिव होते हैं. इंट्रूसिव और प्लूटोनिक रोड्स. इंट्रूसिव igneous rocks or plutonic rocks. एक extrusive igneous rocks और इसको क्या कहते हैं, लावा और वोल्केनिक. ठीक है. ये जो होते हैं, इसमें मैग्मा कूल डाउन इनसाइड एट ग्रेट डेप्थ बिलो द अर्थ सरफेस. Immediate condition of cooling results in intermediate size of grain making up igneous rocks. Meaning, जब मैग्मा cool down slowly at greater depth inside the earth. Immediate condition of cooling result in intermediate size of grains इसके एग्जांपल हो गया ग्रेनाइट, डोराइट, डियोराइट, इसका बसाल्ट और प्यूमाइस। अब इसके बाद वर्ड मीनिंग लिख लेंगे जो जो इम्पोर्टेंट थे। तब हम प्री के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे थोड़े। The same the same phase of the moon is always presented to the earth. The moon rotates about its own axis in 23.5 days, which is about the same time is taken to orbit the earth. Both air are, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? A is true and R is false. The same phase of the moon is always presented to the earth. The main reason is that the period of evolution around moon is same as the period of rotation around its axis, approx 27.5 days. As a result of this phenomena, only one part of the moon is visible to the observer on the earth's surface and the other part is always away from the view of observer. Thus only 59% of the moon's surface is visible to earth and remaining 41% is never visible to us. ठीक है, इसका तो क्या हो जाएगा फिर, A is true and R is false. Among the following, which planet takes maximum time for one revolution around the sun? इसका आंसर है Jupiter. Jupiter take about 11 year and 86 days for revolution around the sun. The Earth take 365, Mars take 387, 687, Venus take 267 days. Jupiter fifth planet है from sun and largest in solar system as a gas giant. इसके पास क्या है, rocky core of heavy metals, but like other giant planets in the solar system it lack a well defined solid surface. इसके पास well defined solid surface नहीं है. Which of the following statement is correct with reference to our solar system? The earth is densest of all planets in our solar system. The predominant element in composition of earth is silicon. The sun contains 75% of mass of solar system. The diameter of sun is 190 टाइम of the earth. इसके क्या आंसर सही है? इसको सिर्फ ए की पहले बात सही है. The option A is correct as earth is densest of all the planets of our earth. The density of earth is 5.52 gram, Mercury 5.4, Venus 5.2, Mars 3.9, Jupiter, ये सब है इसका. बी सी डी इसलिए इनकरेक्ट है क्योंकि प्रीडोमिनेंट एलिमेंट जो कंपोजिशन ऑफ अर्थ के लिए था वो था आयरन 35%, while that of अर्थ क्रस्ट के लिए था ऑक्सीजन. द सन कंटेन्स 99% ऑफ द मास ऑफ सोलर सिस्टम. द डायमीटर ऑफ सन इज 109 टाइम्स ऑफ दैट ऑफ द अर्थ. ठीक है. Artificial satellites are always launched from Earth in the eastward direction. The Earth rotates from west to east, so the satellite attains the escape velocity. A is true and R is false. Artificial satellites always launch from the Earth in eastward direction. It is due to the fact that Earth rotates from east to west, which makes its geosynchronous. इसका मतलब क्या होगा भाई? Geosyn synchronous, geosynchronous, chronous, syn. Its escape velocity is 1.2 is meter per second as given by booster. The rocket it has nothing to do with the direction of launching the satellite. The sun halo is produced by refraction of light in water vapor in stratus cloud, ice crystal in cirronimbus clouds, ice crystal in cirrus cloud, dust particle in stratus cloud. इसका option है C. Sun halo is produced by diffraction of light in ice crystal in cirrus cloud. A halo is a ring or light that form around the sun or moon. As sun or moon light reflect off ice crystal present a thin veil of cirrus cloud. The halo is usually seen as bright white ring, although sometimes it can have colors. If the stars are seen to rise perpendicular to the horizon by an observer, He is located on the equator, tropic of Cancer, South Pole, North Pole. A. If observers see this star perpendicular to the horizon, then it is located on equator. It is because celestial equator is an imaginary circle around the sky directed above the earth equator. It is always 90 degrees from pole, and the star rotate in a path that is parallel to celestial equator. Who among the following was the first to state that the earth was spherical? इसका Aristotle. Aristotle was the first to state that Earth spherical in his book On the Heavens in 350 BC. Aristotle listed several arguments for elliptical. The hull of ship disappear first when they sail over the horizon. Earth casts a round shadow on the moon during a lunar eclipse, and different constellations are visible in different latitudes. इसका देखेंगे इसको. Which one of the following scholars suggests that Earth originated from gases and dust particles? O. Schmidt. The scholar who suggested Earth dust particle is Russian scientist O. Schmidt. He propounded interstellar dust hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, our sun, during its glacial glaciatic revolution, captured the dark matter of universe, which was composed of gaseous cloud. Smallest planet of her solar system कौन सा है? Mercury. ये largest planet of our solar system ये गलत है. Planet second from the sun is in the solar system ये भी गलत है. Planets nearest to sun ये भी गलत है. तो मतलब इससे मैच करनी है ये, है ना. स्मॉलेस्ट planet फर्स्ट का हो गया फोर्थ. ठीक है. लार्जेस्ट का हो गया थर्ड. बी का थ्री. तो ये ऑप्शन रहेगा इसका. ठीक है. When there is noon at IST meridian, people on another place of the earth is taking their morning tea at 6 o'clock. The longitude of place is. Consider the following statement regarding asteroids. Asteroids are rocky debris of varying sizing orbiting the sun. Most of the asteroids are small, but some have diameter as large as 1000 kilometers. The orbit of asteroid lies between orbit of Jupiter and Saturn. कितनी स्टेटमेंट सही है इसमें? फर्स्ट और सेकंड स्टेटमेंट सही है. ठीक है. Which of the following is present in the largest amount in term of percent by mass in the earth crust? अर्थ क्रस्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या है? सिलिकॉन, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन, कैल्शियम. ऑक्सीजन in form of oxide is present in large amount of term of percentage by mass of earth crust. The second most abundant is silicon. Third, aluminium in the earth crust. Which of the following conditions is more relevant for presence of life on earth? Atmospheric composition, thermal condition, occurrence of ice caps and frozen water, occurrence of ozone. इसका तीसरा है occurrence of ice caps and frozen water. The most relevant condition, it is due to the fact that same situation of on the earth are also supposed to support the primitive form of life. Which of the following star is nearest to earth? Sun. Sun is nearest star to earth with an average distance 1.149.6 billion. Proxima Centauri is second nearest star. Alpha Centauri is the distance about 4.367 light years from Earth, and Sirius is the brightest star in the sky. If the Earth direction of rotation is reversed, what would be the IST when It's noon at international date time. The small group of pieces of rock revolving around Sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter is called asteroids. The tail of comet is directed away from the Sun because as comet rotates around the Sun, diamond ring is a phenomenon observed as the start of total solar eclipse. At the end of total solar eclipse, only along the peripheral region of total totality trail, only in central regions of totality trail. तो अब इसका देखेंगे भाई क्या है. दोबारा से देखेंगे एक बार उनको। इसकी एनिमेशन देखेंगे बस, सेम फेस ऑफ द मून। Moon rotates on its axis in 27.3. Which of the following statement is correct with reference to our solar system? The Earth is densest of all the planets in our solar system. Artificial satellites are always launched from the Earth in eastward direction. The, why the artificial satellites? Hmm. Sorry. Hmm.